Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. This is All That Ash. If you're new here, I just want to say hi, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you are not new here, you guys are rocking with me for another video. Yay! Today we're doing the Get Ready With Me for James Charles. You guys, I'm so freaking nervous right now. I'm excited, I'm nervous, but I'm just I'm all over the place. Yeah, I have to do a Get Ready With Me, so you guys are gonna get ready with me. I'm 29 years old. I live in Denver. I love makeup. I don't really know what else I could say. The way that I got started in makeup, 14 or 15 years old, I had a cousin. Her name was Sonia. She got out of the shower and came in, with her head all wrapped. She had her makeup bag. I was curious. I'm looking at her I just don't understand. So she starts putting the shit on her eyes and, priming her eyes. And then she starts going to foundation and concealer. She's just like, this is this, that is that. And I'm like, okay, that's awesome. But I still don't know what you're talking about. She ends up finishing. And I'm like, yo, you look amazing. You look bomb. Blew my mind, okay? I ended up just falling in love and just experimenting. So when I was learning how to do liquid liner, I'd sit there and God, I remember it burning my eyes. I remember putting it on and I'm like, ooh, that's terrible. You know what I mean? No, probably shouldn't look like that. So I'd wipe it off, do it again. I wouldn't say that I'm a perfectionist, but I feel like when I really want to learn something and I really want to know something, I'm gonna learn it and I'm gonna know. As I got older, it just kind of grew. My mom and my grandma, they like to go to the segundas. And I'm half black and half Mexican, by the way, so my mom's Mexican, my dad's black. I am fluent in Spanish. I love to read, you guys. I came across a makeup book, but the thrift store had brand new books. Kevin Aquan, Sonia Kashuk, skincare books, there was makeup books, there was fashion books, all kinds of things. So I freaking started going to every single thrift store that I could find so I could just see what books they had. Some of the ones that I bought ended up having, instructions. This brush is this brush is that. They had pictures, they had all kinds of stuff. So I'm sitting here this is exactly what I was looking for, hell yeah. I'm gonna sit here and learn some freaking makeup. It became definitely a hobby. I ended up getting an iPhone and then I found the YouTube videos and I'm like, no freaking way. There's literally women on YouTube, this is how I do my face and this is what I use and this is where I found it and stuff. It was mind blowing. You know what I mean? You just have all of this information, all of these opinions, all of these different products and everything all in one spot, and then it just continued to grow. I started to just play with makeup. I love the trial and error, going to the store, finding the makeup, reading it, finding out how you're supposed to use it, and then taking it home and seeing how it changes your face. I would adore being an influencer. Doing these videos is so much fun for me. I love sitting here, I love showing you guys the products I have. I love, putting them on and playing with them and doing all these things. It really is a passion. 2016 to 2017, I had wanted to go to makeup school. It was probably about $5,000 that I needed to go. I was praying. I was like, Lord, I really want to do this. How do I do this? And cupcakes. I made Oreo cupcakes, Fruity Pebble cupcakes. I made strawberry shortcake bars. And then I took them to the call center and to the tattoo shop and I was selling them for $1. So I came up with all the freaking money. I drove down there. I went to school. It was like a crash course. How I got started on YouTube was I wanted to do videos. I love that these women were doing this and I'm like, I could do that. Let me try it. What I think I would bring to the community, honestly, is just passion. I feel like I'm unique in the sense that I feel like no matter what it is or what look we're trying to achieve or something, I'll always figure out a way to do it. If I got to go to this competition, not only would it mean that I get to pursue my dream even further and take it another step, but I also get to be surrounded by other creative people and I get to learn more and I get to just experience a whole nother world and a whole nother level of makeup in the beauty community that I've always wanted to be a part of. I can't wait. So if you guys can help me out, that would be great. Share, all this stuff. So yeah, I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. Let's do this. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I will be here. I'm going to continue posting. I'm going to continue doing what I do best, which is the makeup. Alright, you guys. So, like I said, I'm so excited and I can't wait. So, I'm excited for you guys who are entering. I'm excited for myself because I'm doing this. I just want to wish luck to everybody and thank you again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you guys again soon.